Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Yamaha RD250 is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after two-stroke motorcycles ever produced, a legend that continues to captivate riders with its raw power, nimble handling, and distinctive exhaust note, making it a true classic that stands the test of time and continues to be a benchmark for performance and riding pleasure in the vintage motorcycle community. Number 5. Liquid Stand's 2-tier keyboard stand attachment. Expand your setup with this fully adjustable keyboard stand extension. It offers a wide range of width and height adjustments for optimal comfort and ergonomics, supporting even the heaviest keyboards. Constructed from high-quality steel, this double-tier extender is built to withstand significant weight and last a lifetime. It assembles in minutes and comes with a 10-year coverage. Ensure your instruments are safe and stable. This extender features multiple locking knobs and adjustable non-slip pads to keep your keyboard perfectly level. This is a great addition for any musician, allowing you to mount keyboards, synths, laptops, or even add attachments for microphones, monitors, or tablets. The arms adjust to fit your equipment perfectly. This universal second tier is ideal for any keyboard stand with square tubing, including all Liquid Stands models. It works great for any 54 to 88 key digital or electric pianos. What we like. Expand your setup with this versatile attachment. It allows you to add a second keyboard or other gear, giving you more creative options. If you're looking to layer sounds or have multiple instruments easily accessible on stage, this is the perfect addition. What people say. The Yamaha RD250 is a classic motorcycle known for its two-stroke engine, offering a unique and exciting riding experience. Its lightweight and agile chassis makes it incredibly fun to handle, especially on twisty roads. The distinctive sound of the RD250's exhaust is iconic and a major part of its appeal for enthusiasts. Number 4. Roland RD250 Digital Stage Piano. Experience the future of stage pianos with our next-generation RD model. It combines two independent sound engines with advanced controller features for unparalleled performance. Our dedicated acoustic piano sound engine, powered by Roland's latest advancements, delivers an authentic and richly detailed tone. Enjoy full polyphony for expressive playing. A second, supernatural-based sound engine offers 128 voice polyphony for electric pianos and a wide array of additional sounds. It's even compatible with previous RD800 live sets. Tick command with 8 knobs featuring LED status indicators and 9 sliders. Effortlessly control sounds and effects in real time for dynamic performances. With 8 fully assignable zones, you can seamlessly combine internal sounds with external sources, including software instruments. This offers incredible flexibility for any musical setting. The PHA-50 keyboard features a hybrid construction of wood and molded materials. This provides a premium touch and ensures lasting durability for countless performances. Rediscover iconic sounds with classic electric pianos on board. This includes Roland's legendary RD1000 and MKS-20, bringing vintage character to your music. What we like. Experience unparalleled sound quality and control with this professional instrument. Its advanced sound engines deliver incredibly realistic piano tones and offer extensive customization. If you demand the best in stage piano performance and need a versatile controller for your sound, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The Yamaha RD250 is a classic motorcycle known for its distinctive two-stroke engine sound and performance. Its lightweight and agile chassis make it a joy to handle on winding roads, offering a connected riding experience. The RD250's simple yet effective design has contributed to its enduring appeal among enthusiasts and collectors. Number 3. Yamaha Speedometer 6Y583570810. Introducing the Yamaha Speedometer, part number 6Y583570810. This essential component ensures accurate readings for your Yamaha marine engine. Keep track of your speed with confidence. This speedometer is designed for precision and reliability on the water. Built to withstand the marine environment, it offers long-lasting performance. You can count on it for every journey. Designed for straightforward installation, getting your boat back on the water is quick and easy. It integrates seamlessly with your existing setup. Ensure optimal performance with a genuine Yamaha part. This ensures compatibility and the quality you expect from Yamaha. What we like. Ensure precise monitoring of your ride's performance with this essential component. It's built to last and designed for a straightforward installation. If you need a reliable speedometer to keep track of your speed and maintain optimal performance, this is a solid option. What people say. The Yamaha RD250 is a classic motorcycle known for its thrilling performance and distinctive two-stroke engine sound. Its lightweight and agile handling make it a joy to ride on winding roads, offering an engaging and sporty experience. The RD250's iconic design, with its sleek lines and sporty fairing, continues to capture the admiration of motorcycle enthusiasts. Number 2. RMSTATOR ignition key switch for Yamaha Moto. This is a brand new aftermarket ignition key switch. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your original unit. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design. It offers a direct fit, making the process simple and straightforward. We ensure quality by testing all products before they are shipped. You can be confident in its performance and reliability. This switch is made to directly replace the one in your Yamaha Moto RD, XJ, XS, or 15 Sika models from 1978 to 1999. Get back on the road with a dependable ignition switch. It's built to last and perform as expected. What we like. Get your motorcycle back on the road with this reliable ignition key switch. It's designed as a direct fit for your original unit, making installation a breeze. If your current key switch is faulty or you need a dependable replacement, this plug-and-play solution is ideal. What people say. The Yamaha RD250 is a classic motorcycle known for its sporty performance and distinctive two-stroke engine sound. Its lightweight design and agile handling make it a joy to ride on winding roads. The RD250's iconic styling has made it a sought-after model among collectors and enthusiasts. Number 1. Yamaha RD, YRS7, YR5 1970-79 Repair Manual. Discover the essential guide for your classic Yamaha RD, YRS7, and YR5 models from 1970 to 1979. This manual is your key to understanding and maintaining these iconic motorcycles. Brought to you by Haynes Repair Manuals, a trusted name in automotive and motorcycle maintenance. Get reliable, step-by-step instructions you can count on. This manual provides in-depth coverage for your specific models. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or a full restoration, you'll find the information you need. If you own a Yamaha RD, YRS7, or YR5 from this era, this repair manual is an indispensable tool. Keep your vintage bike running smoothly and preserve its value. Consider this your go-to resource for all things related to your motorcycle's mechanics. It's designed to help both novice and experienced mechanics tackle any job with confidence. What we like. Maintain and repair your classic motorcycle with this detailed guide. It covers a wide range of maintenance and repair procedures specific to your model. If you're a hands-on owner looking to perform your own servicing and keep your bike in top condition, this manual is indispensable. What people say. The Yamaha RD250 is a classic motorcycle known for its distinctive two-stroke engine. Its lightweight design and agile handling make it a popular choice for riders who enjoy spirited riding. The RD250's performance is characterized by its quick acceleration and high-revving nature, offering an exciting riding experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.